Do you have the infrastructure and capacity to take on new business? How confident are you in your people and processes? Firstly, to win those contracts, then to successfully deliver and service. Introducing Access Manufacturing. A portfolio of integrated, intelligent and efficiency-driven software solutions built specifically to give manufacturers clarity and confidence of their entire operation. Our efficient MRP and purchasing solutions give you the knowledge of what to order, when and why. Operationally, successfully process your work's order from start to finish. Provide full traceability from raw materials to the finished goods. Communicate with every department, from efficient shop floor integration to sharing performance data with your senior decision makers. More than 2,000 UK supply chain operators use Access to improve their performance and profitability, gain competitive advantage, and drive growth through improved business insight. Today's efficient manufacturing process can be the winning component in your supply chain. Get in touch. Access.